Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how you can track changes that you have made in your Excel sheet and accept or reject them. Or let's say it's a shared workbook which is being used by a lot of people. So how to track what has been changed by another person and not by you. Okay, and you have the possibility to keep it or restore back the original file. Okay. So what we see on the screen is a small table with some entries and some students and some marks. Okay. So let's say if somebody edits something in this, you should be aware of it, but there is no way to track it as of now. So to start the tracking, first we have to add another option inside Excel, which can be done using the ribbon. So I right click on the empty space on the top and go to customize ribbon, and here on this drop down I will select all the commands, then scroll down till the level of T and find the command track changes legacy. So this is the command that we will be using. If we directly try to add this, it will ask us to make a custom group. Okay, so the first step that we'll do is we'll create a new tab for it. So click on the new tab button, and this new tab comes with a new group. Let's rename this new tab to track, and then click on the track changes legacy and add to it and click on OK. So you see this track button comes here, and under this we find this track changes legacy. Now if you have to activate this command, you have to click here and click on highlight changes and enable this option track changes while editing. When you do it, it will also share the workbook. So that is one thing that we have to keep in mind. And when you click on this OK button, it will ask you to save the file. So I click on OK. It will ask me to save the file. I can rename it to track and click on the save button. And now, for example, I make a change in this file. I write 6 here. So you see it's highlighted in a different color. Here I type F, and here let's say I type a score. So you see that this change is highlighted in a different color. Okay, and if you now save the file, then click on track changes, you see then the accept reject button changes button becomes highlighted. So you can click on this and then it will show you all the changes which are not reviewed. Okay, and when you click on this, it will show you what all changes have been done. So for example, the blank has been changed to 6. This cell D10 which was blank has been changed to F, and E10 has blank has been changed to 90. Okay, and it also shows the user information on the top. Okay, and here you can accept this individually, or you can use the accept all button to accept all the changes at once, or you can reject this or reject all of them at once. So let's say I accept all of them at once. So these changes are accepted now. It still shows highlighted, the reason being that in this highlight changes settings we have this option highlight changes on the screen. If I remove this option here and click on OK, these highlighted changes will be gone. Okay, so and then you can click on the save sheet button. So this is the way you can track any changes done at any time on the Excel sheet. Hope this is helpful for your work. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.